database. Okay, what I mean by the large databases, okay, so from the A to Z on the main page, okay, we're going to go to one of these three. So you choose whichever one you want to go through. There we go. That's a nice one. Okay. And I can narrow it even further if I want to by more specific subjects, or I can do the dates as well. But this one's great. I think I'll do this one. So if this is one that I want to go with to make something out of this war, Civil War and the Rise of American Medical Science, I'm going to download that PDF. Okay. Save it. To my downloads, that works fine. And then I'm going to export this. So how you do that is by cite this item. So when you click on cite this item, what that'll do is it'll of course give you the citation. I don't need that yet. I'm just going to export it to RefWorks. Put it in my Civil War Medicine and Tech folder. Okay, and then I'm going to hopefully go to that one. There we go, beautiful. I'm going to go in here. Okay, I'm going too fast. Okay, let me go back. Okay, so I just exited the worksheet says download them. You might use in the paper and attach them to your RefWork entries. Do both of those. Might as well, you're right there. So I'm going to show you what I mean by attach it to your RefWorks. So I got my PDF downloaded. I sent it to my downloads on my computer. Okay. Now I'm going to go over here on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side for EBSCOhost and ProQuest is where it is. And it says cite this item. If I scroll down, I see export to RefWorks. I've exported it already, put it in the folder I wanted. It's right here. Okay. Over here, I click on the item. Okay. So I click on the thing I just added to my RefWorks, hit the pencil, which is edit. Okay. And then I go to add an attachment. So
put after 8 or just do them not later?
8, what you're going to do is print out 2 articles to turn in with this worksheet. So if you're going to hand it in physically, then I want you to print them out and staple them on the back on Monday. I'll show you the order. I'll actually have you guys, if you're turning this in digitally, then save the PDF and attach the PDF in addition to the worksheet. Okay, if you're doing it digitally, which is where Caleb's going. And that's why I said, okay. Oops, let's take a look. Actually, it's okay. It is there. I guess I can't save it. There it is. Ta-da! Here's the article. Now I don't have to find it. I don't have to click on that link that's down here every single time, right here. I could just read it straight out of my RefWorks. It's like a little folder, file folder that you can put your stuff in digitally. So you're going to do 2 of those, 2. So you could do from different databases or the same database. It doesn't matter. You could do 2 from JSTOR or 1 from EBSCOhost and 1 from ProQuest. It's up to you. Or 1 from JSTOR or 1 from ProQuest. Yes.
Say if like the article's like really long, wouldn't they print like a page or 2 of it? Or
No,
do you print the whole
print the whole thing.
Okay.
If though, as you are annotating it, you read through a page and you're like, oh, there's nothing on this page I can use. This is what I want you to do. I want you to put a big fat X through it and then make a note, not useful for my paper or something like that. Okay, that tells you and me that you made your due diligence. You read the whole article. You annotated the whole article. Does that make sense? There's nothing to annotate here because I'm not going to use it. Does that make sense? But yes, you do have to print out the whole article.
Do you care how long the article is? That can be a short article.
Better be more than 2 pages, Zach. At least 2 pages, okay? Unless it's a really good 1-page article. Got to be an amazing 1-page article. But yet, when you're printing these out, well, you do have a couple of choices. You could read the PDF first and decide which pages are useful to you and only print those pages. So let's say you read a 40-page article and only page 7, 8, and 15 were like ones that you want to use. What you need to do is first print page 1, because that has all your bibliography information on it, the author, the title, who published it, etc. So you need that even if you don't annotate it. And then you're going to print page 7, 8, and 15, because those are the only ones you're going to use. Make a little note for Miss Perry, Sister Perry. These are the only pages I'm going to use. And print those other 3 pages.